Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another palette bingo eyeshadow roulette. If you haven't heard of this kind of challenge before, it's basically when you go to random.org and random generate 4 eyeshadows from the eyeshadow palette. I have done the BH Weekend Festival, the Modern Renaissance. Now I'm going to do my Huda Beauty, the new Nude palette. It's just a fun way to play with your eyeshadows in your collection instead of constantly doing the same thing over and over again, and just figure out some fun different looks. So let's get random.org set up. So this palette has 18 shadows, and it's definitely more of like a pinky sparkly mauve kind of palette, as you can see. There's 10 buttery mattes, 4 multi-reflective shadows, 2 pressed glitters, and 1 pressed pearl and 1 concealer base, which the concealer base is right there. So we're going to random generate, and we have 11. 11 is Infatuated, which is the shade right here. That is Infatuated. Definitely has some glitter to it, not so much color, just mainly glitter. So we're gonna random, got number 8, which is Daydream there. That is Daydream. Next shadow is 17, getting all of the colorful shades. So Charmed right there. That one feels really smooth. Charm. And then the last shade is number 1, which is the shade Bear. This hand for you guys, just a nice matte white shade. So I'm going to start off with using my eye primer. This is the Milani Eyeshadow Primer base. Really love this stuff. Drugstore, so it is a very affordable eye primer. It works really well, really easy to apply. I feel like my eyeshadows definitely last a little bit longer using a product like this over not using something like this, and I would purchase this over like the Urban Decay, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go in with Bare first and just kind of apply it all over the eye. Since I didn't get to pick out like a crease shade, I'm gonna go ahead and pick one out. I'm gonna go ahead and use Tickle, which is this like light pink kind of shade. Lightly tap that and put that into the crease. I just think this eye look needed one more shade. Okay, let's go into these shades now. So we're gonna go in with Infatuated, that first shade, and I'm going to put that kind of on the middle outer part of my eye. Oh, that's not the shade I wanted. Maybe it was Charmed. Yeah, Infatuated is the glitter shade, so we're gonna go in with Charmed, yeah, and put that all over in the middle to the outer corner. And I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush just to kind of help blend it as well. I definitely wouldn't choose all of these shimmer shades for one eye look. I would probably do like just one of them. So definitely more glittery of a look than what I would typically do. Okay, so Daydream, I'm gonna take that on to the middle part of the eye and bring it down to the inner corner. I feel like that's right. That kind of looks like that shade. What do you guys think of the look right now? I think what I'm gonna do with that like Infatuated glittery kind of shade, I'm gonna take a small brush and just kind of apply that in the middle, just to kind of blend those two shades together. Add a little bit more pop. I think That looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Blend it out a little bit more on the outside. Go back in with the Bare shade just to kind of amp up. Blend that out a little bit more. It looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I would not have like picked all these pinks for my eyes on like a normal basis. Let's go in, add some liner. This is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner. Go ahead and curl my eyes. I love the Tarte eyelash curlers. I've had a couple of these in the past and I seriously highly recommend them. They're way better than the Revlon ones, which I started off using. I've gone back to using the Revlon ones because I couldn't find the Tarte ones for a while, and Tarte is just so much better. Using the Tarte Man Eater mascara. This is definitely coming to the end of this mascara's life. This will probably be the last time I use it. I did like this mascara, but what I would say is I don't think I'm gonna purchase it like on its own. What I like to do, especially with high-end mascaras, is get like the sample like kits when they give you like 4 or 5 of the mini deluxe mascaras. Or this one was like a set of 3 full-size mascaras from Tarte around the Christmas season. And I like doing it that way. It's just more cost effective. Other than that, I'll use like an Essence mascara. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up the makeup. You guys know I love my Smashbox Cameron BB cream. I actually saw the last day of Sephora sale that my shade was back in stock. So I picked it up. I have 1 box of the products that I picked up from Sephora that is currently downstairs. But I'm gonna wait until this one comes in to kind of show you guys the other things that I got during the sale. What did you guys get during the Sephora sale? Anything fun or just your favorite backups? Let me know in the comments down below. I got a lot of backups of my favorite items and some new fun items to try too. I like never shop at Sephora. That's why I think I'm just a beauty insider now. I don't think I'm VIP. I was Rouge for like almost 4 years. I've definitely been purchasing more from Ulta lately. But just in general, I've been trying to minimize my collection, use more of the products that I have, and just kind of be more mindful that way. And then we're gonna go in with concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. I've heard of some people that are starting to get into it, but they don't like the way it looks. Guys, you have to put it on the back of your hands, tap it in with a finger, and that is the best way to apply this concealer. If you apply it straight on, it's going to be too thick, and you're not gonna like the way that it looks. So my advice, put some on your hand, tap it in with your finger. Gonna top that with my Essence All About Matte. Seriously guys, the best drugstore powder. Drugstore or Ulta sells it as well. It looks stark white, but you just kind of put it all over and you're good to go. I have my Tarte, is this Hotel Heiress. Now I just posted a while ago my favorite makeup brushes and the makeup brushes I use on an everyday basis. A lot of the ones you see in my videos. So if you're interested in seeing what that actual makeup brushes are, I'll link that video down below for you guys who are interested, but I would check it out. I don't always link my makeup brushes. Actually, I don't think I ever really link my makeup brushes into my videos. But if you guys are interested or need some new makeup brush ideas, then check that video out. This is my Becca Champagne Pop palette. Been using it a lot this year. I'm gonna go in and use Champagne Pop, kind of apply it right there. Add a little bit more glitter to this look. I'm going to go in with, I love to kind of amplify my eyeshadow with the Champagne Pop shade or any kind of highlight shade, and I'm going to just take it right there and top it right in the middle of my eye, just to make that pop, draw a little bit more attention to it. So right in the inner corner, and then right there. Gonna go in with my Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. Just so easy, just kind of apply the way your brows kind of grow. This gives a nice color to it and keeps them in place. And then my favorite lip product lately that I have used on an everyday basis, and I think it would be perfect for this eye look, is my Tarte Treat. This is the Lip Sculptors. It has a lipstick on one end and then the lip gloss. So creamy and smells good. So there's it with just the lipstick, but I like to add a little bit of definition right in the center. The lip gloss. So there you guys have it. There is my, what is this, new Nude palette eyeshadow bingo look. Again, I love doing eyeshadow bingos. I'll link some down below for you guys who want to see more, but this is just, again, another fun way to play with your eyeshadows in your collection. Try something new, get out of the little rut that we may be having with our eyeshadows, and I'll talk to you in my next one. There are 2 videos down below. Be sure to comment, let me know if you like these videos, and subscribe for more videos. I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.